my bed. Ain't gotta be, hey, gotta be chill like a Sunday. Never wanna look too thirsty. But your drip got me feeling where you at. Make you feel love. Then it gotta be, hey, gotta be chill like a Sunday. Then it gotta be.
Hey Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose, and we're back with another video. And as you guys can tell by the thumbnail and the title, we are going to be doing my Boxycharm premium unboxing and try on. So if you want to see what I got for Boxycharm premium this month, then just keep on watching. Okay, so this is what my box is looking like. I see quite a few things I'm excited to try. Okay, so the first thing is from Huda Beauty. This is the Pastel Obsessions eyeshadow palette. It retails for $29. Don't mind my boyfriend's on the background on the phone with his mom. The palette is super cute. I love the fact that it comes with a nice little mirror, and the shades are really pretty, super pastel-y, but I'm super excited to see what look I come up with using this. The next product is from Laura Mercier. How exciting to see her in the box again. This is the Matte Radiance Baked Powder Highlight in 01. This retails for $44. I really want to see what this looks like. I've seen a few Boxycharm unboxings, and this looks really nice, and I really hope it like matches me or like works for me. So this is the packaging, really nice high-end vibes. So it comes with this little dome thing on it. I'm just gonna pop off, and the mirror on here is really nice as well. And this is what it looks like. It kind of looks like someone touched it like right there and right there, but it looks really light, so hopefully it's not that light and I can use it. So next we got something from LMS, which is usually skincare. So this is the LMS Peptide Plumping Pillow Facial. This retails for $65. It says the super cooling gel mask glides onto the skin, creating a biomimetic veil that is clinically proven to lock in moisture, leaving skin looking younger and feeling plumped with moisture upon waking. I'm not going to open this or try this anytime soon because I do have quite a few sleeping masks open. I'm working through my Dr. Brandt one right now, and then maybe I'll do this one because actually I only have one open. I was thinking about my eye creams, so this will be next, but I won't be trying it in today's video. Next is this Out of Sight California Blue Aura Cleansing Water. The bottle is like a frosted glass, which feels really high end. It's super heavy, and you get 4 ounces of product in here, and this retails for $39. So there's that. And I currently have 2 Garnier Micellar waters open, so I won't be using this anytime soon as well, but I will be putting it in my skincare drawer along with the LMS sleeping mask, and they will probably be the next products that I use in my skincare routine. The next product is from Tarte. This is the Tarte Double Take Eyeliner. This retails for $24. So it's basically a double-ended liner. You have like a felt tip on one side, and then the like stick crayon type of formula for the waterline on the other side. Last but not least is something from Eloise, and this is Eloise Beauty Get Lit Metallic Foiled Liquid Eyeshadow. This retails for $26. And yeah, let's see what shade it is. I'm hoping that it's like a nice gold. I love gold liquid shadows. This is what the liquid shadow looks like. It kind of looks like a nail polish, but super, super pretty packaging. It says pure gold, so I'm assuming that's the shade. And that is the applicator. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start off with the eyeshadow. My eyes are already primed. I'm going to do my whole point and blend thing with some cute little music in the background. There's going to be music throughout this whole video probably, because I hate like splitting and trimming the music just for the parts that speed up. Okay, so I used everything else and I didn't speak. It was just like not a voiceover, but not a talk through, you know? But now we're going to use the Laura Mercier Matte Radiance Baked Powder. I don't know if I'm supposed to use this as highlight or if I'm supposed to use this all over my face. But I'm going to try to use it as highlight first. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's pale, but it looks so freaking beautiful. Stop. Stop screaming. Okay, so this is the completed look. I am absolutely obsessed with how this look came out and I loved everything I tried. So let's get into my final thoughts on everything and then I will leave the total value of the box right here. Okay, so first of all, I didn't use the 2 skincare products because I do have these type of products already open, so it would be quite pointless and wasteful for me to open them and then they go bad. And I haven't even got to really enjoy them and see if they work or not. So these 2 products I did not get to use, which is the LMS Peptide Plumping Pillow Facial Hydrating Sleeping Mask and the Odyssey California Blue Aura Cleansing Water. But they do look pretty good. Let's get into what I did use. So first of all, this freaking eyeshadow palette is super freaking cute. I love the color story, how purpley pastel-y it is and so like flirty and girly. Don't mind the lipstick on my teeth because I suck. But the packaging is super cute and I'm super happy to have this in my collection now, and then I kind of want to go and purchase more Huda Beauty little palettes like this. The Eloise liquid eyeshadow kind of sucks because once you place it down, it's really pretty, but when you try to spread it out with a brush, it like fades away to nothing, which sucks. So the Tarteist double-sided liner, I thought it was pretty good. I personally don't like felt tips, but I created a wing pretty simple and easy. And the black for the waterline, like the pencil side, is okay. It's not the blackest black that I've ever used, but it seems to have gotten the job done, as you can see. But yeah, I think it's okay. And then last but not least is my favorite product in the box, and that is the Laura Mercier Matte Radiance Baked Powder. Highlight 01. I definitely wouldn't put this all over my face. It is very pale on my skin tone, but as a highlight, it looks really, really pretty. And yeah, I'm super excited about this. I kind of want a different shade. I want like a little bit more of a golden shade. This is a little bit too icy on my face, but for recording purposes, I think it's gorgeous. I also did pop it on the brow bone, which is really, really nice. So overall, this premium box is definitely a thumbs up for me. It is approved, and I would give it like a 8.5 out of 10. I enjoyed everything that I used, and I enjoyed receiving the skincare that I did, because who doesn't love a good micellar water and a sleeping mask? Especially me, because I love doing my nighttime skin routine now. Like, I fell off for a while, but I'm back on it. Ever since someone asked me for a nighttime skin routine, I'm back on my skin care routine at nighttime. So that brings this video to an end. If you guys enjoyed, drop a thumbs up, comment down below what you guys thought, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go. We'd love to have you guys join the Rose family. And on that note, I hope you guys are staying safe, staying blessed, having an amazing day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.
Can you play that again? We've been through the 305